Welcome to Dragonfly Trading. My name is Carrie. I am a full-time trader and mentor in the crypto and Forex markets. Today's video is going to be an update on Bitcoin. Just my bias, not financial advice in any way. Apologies for my absence. Holidays have been busy and the Discord is always my first priority. Speaking of the Discord, I am now offering a 48-hour free trial. In the description below is the link to my email. Email me with your Discord name and I will send you the link to the Discord. Come in, see what it's all about, watch the live streams that I have every single day. Check out the Signals channel. Collaborate with everybody. We would love to have you. All right, let's get started. So I produced a video called Take a Look at the Main Count, something like that. I'm going to link that video also. I talked about this whole main count. Watch the video, you will see what I am talking about. I spoke about this being either 3s and 4s, because this is the only thing that can overlap in Elliott Wave, or 1s and 2s. I forgot to talk about the 1s and 2s, and I wanted to talk about it in this video. There are many Elliottians out there that are calling this a wave 1 and a wave 2, and then calling this a wave 1 and a wave 2. What this means is that it's a nest, and it means that this wave 1 and this wave 2 are the wave 1 and 2 of the big third wave to come. It would mean that this 1 and 2 is of smaller degree, and that this 1 and 2 is of larger degree, which would mean that this 1 and 2 needs to be larger, significantly larger than this 1 and 2. Now let's think about this logically. This market rallied from approximately $3,000 all the way up to $65,000. This one rallied from 0 to 19,000. That would mean that this rally is 3 times as large as these rallies put together. So with that being said, my bias is that there is no way that this can be a 1-2-1-2. Looking at it on linear scale, you can clearly see how much larger this rally is than this one. And that's not how a 1-2-1-2 works. A 1-2-1-2, you get your largest 1-2, then a smaller 1-2, and then an even smaller 1-2, if you can even see this one. Okay? Because as you go up in the nest, it's of smaller and smaller degree. So let me know what you think in the comments, and definitely watch the other videos so you really understand what I'm talking about. All right, let's get started on Bitcoin. So this is the count that I've been talking about for a very long time. And the question is Bitcoin going to be able to continue to rally to approximately 30K or 40K? If it does rally, it will mean that this is a connector wave, putting in an X or a B. Then this yellow WXY will get a partner leg on the other side. This will extend this bear market out approximately another year. Option 2, it is not going to rally anymore, that it is put in a B wave, and now it plans to come to the downside in a C wave. We will be looking for this Z wave. How deep it will come, we cannot say. Approximately 12, could even go to 9. We would just have to wait and see how deep it can go. I have done extensions on this in many videos and talked about how deep it could come. But this is the options for the larger time frame. Okay, so the leading ending diagonal is still on the table, but it's getting very close to invalidating. If it takes out 18,300 85, it will completely invalidate this ending diagonal. Now, if it does go down in a three-wave move, we cannot come past 13,370. Many are not talking about that fact, and it cannot go past that because what it will mean is that the third wave will be the shortest wave, and that is an invalidation. So if it does put in the fifth wave, it has to hold 13,370, or this is not an ending diagonal. Let's talk about how Bitcoin could rally further to the upside. If it is going to continue, it needs to give this leg a partner. It could continue from this leg. At that point, it would need to pull back, flip this to support, and continue to the upside. This would be a corrective rally. But it could then make a connector, making this a higher degree W, this a higher degree X, and then it can continue up with a Y wave of higher degree, and that is how it continues to climb. The bear scenario is that Bitcoin's going to fail, and that this is an A wave, it's created a B wave, and it's going to come down in a C. We will be looking for this Z wave coming up over 17,550, where the 618 retracement is, puts favor to the bulls that it can give this leg a partner leg now to the upside. Let's talk about the options on the much lower time frame. This is the leg that we want to give a partner to. The first scenario is that it's going to continue to the upside by making corrective rally. This would put in the partner leg for this leg, bringing it potentially up to this 618 retracement at 18,960. This move here I see as a corrective move, but it can make a connector and then give this leg a partner, making a larger degree leg that would be this one's partner. I know that's a little confusing, but basically it climbs correctively to the upside. Coming underneath 16,326 will invalidate this happening. Okay, let's talk about a different way that it could rally to the upside. I call this sandwiching. It is taught in my course. It would mean that this middle portion is creating a connector. It would then need to give this leg a partner to the downside, and then it could sweep these lows and then give this leg its partner to the upside. It just creates a bigger correction. This can totally happen, grabbing liquidity from these lows. Okay, this is the bear scenario that I presented in my last video. It just basically went a little more sideways than I had it drawn. So it did rally to the upside. I then expected downward for the bear scenario. What this would mean is that this wave is a wave 1, 2, and it's going to go down for 3, 4, 5. It would mean that this wave is an A wave. All this was a B wave, and then it's headed down for that deep C wave for the Z wave. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Think about the free trial for the Discord, and I will see you in the next one.